Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Adams Teaches Punctuation, and today we are focusing on how to use the semicolon. Now, why do we need to know how to use this elusive piece of punctuation? It's for two reasons. Firstly, it's one of the high-level punctuation marks. So in any mark scheme in English language or literature, if it's talking about punctuation, it wants accuracy, of course, but it also wants variation and sophistication. So using that semicolon correctly does just boost that mark up. So it's definitely worth a try. The other reason that you might want to be aware of the semicolon is because it's actually the solution to one of the most common punctuation errors that I see in student work, which is the comma splice, where you put a comma in between sentences, which is a no-go. And the rule is this: you put a semicolon in between two complete sentences that are linked together in thought. It is as easy and simple as that. So here's an example. I love swimming. It makes me feel relaxed. Those are two complete sentences, but they're linked. One of them kind of explains the other. I love swimming because it makes me feel relaxed. So if you've sort of wanted those two ideas to be together within one sentence, that's when you'd use a semicolon. I love swimming, semicolon, it makes me feel relaxed. It's clear that those two things are together. Likewise, the summer holiday was epic. It was just too short. Okay, two completely separate sentences, but they are linked together in thought, and so you can put them together with a semicolon. So those of you who have struggled with making mistakes with commas, when you've sort of said, yeah, but I want them to be together, I feel like I should put a comma because they're linked, this is for you. This is when you want to put a semicolon. However, the one thing I will say, that does not mean that you put a semicolon every time you accidentally comma splice. It's not the absolute replacement. Most of the time, you can use a full stop or a connective. Semicolons should be used scatteringly. I'd say in any long piece of work, 3 max, that's it. They shouldn't be in every single sentence that you write. Okay, so just use them sparingly to show that these two things go together and you're golden. Easy peasy. Now you know how to use a semicolon. If you would like to find out about other types of punctuation that perhaps you're not too certain about, or any other kind of grammatical rules, then do subscribe because there are more videos coming, or check out my playlist so you can see all of the videos that I have to help you study both literature and language. Thank you very much for watching. Happy writing, happy revising, happy punctuation.